Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the operating system lab. Let's see the sixth one. My Yorka is Yorka 19 CS 1080, and let's see the experiment number 6. Implementation of deadlock avoidance algorithm, Banker's algorithm, and aim write a program to simulate Banker's algorithm for the purpose of deadlock avoidance using C++ or Python. Description: in a multi-programming environment, several processes may compete for a finite number of resources. A process requests resources. If the resources are not available at that time, the process enters a waiting state. Sometimes a waiting process is never again able to change state because the resources it has requested are held by other waiting process. The situation is called as deadlock. Deadlock avoidance is one of the techniques of hand, handling deadlocks. This approach requires that the operating system would be given in advance additional information concerning which resource a process will request and use during its lifetime. With this additional knowledge, it can decide for other each request or not. The process should wait to decide whether the current request can be satisfied or must be delayed. The system must consider resource currently available, the resource currently allocated to each process, and the future repeats and releases of each process. Banker's algorithm is a deadlock avoidance algorithm that is applicable to a system with multiple instances of each resource. And let's see the algorithm. Start the program, get the values of resource and process, get the avail value. After allocation for the need value, check whether if it's possible to allocate. If it is possible, then system is in safe state. Else system is not in safety state. If the new request consent, that check that the system is in safety or not. If we allow the request, stop the program. Data structures available vector of log length m, and as instance each type of available as system. If available j is equals to k, then there are k instance of resource type are there available. Maximum nxm matrix, maximum of instance of each resource or each process can request. If maximum I comma j is equals to k, then process pi may request at most k instance of resource type rj. Allocation nxm matrix as instance of each resource type allocated to each process. If allocation I comma j is equals to k, pi is currently allocated k instance of rj. Need nxm matrix instance of each resource type each process may need more of. If need I comma j is equals to k, then pi may need k more instance of rj to complete its task. Need I comma j is equals to maximum I comma j minus allocation I comma j. Safety algorithm that let work and finish be vectors of length m and n respectively. Initialize work is equals to available, finish is equals to false for I is equals to 0, 1 comma 2, n minus 1. Find an I such that both finish I is equals to false, needy less than work. If no such I exists, go to step 4. Work is equals to work plus allocation. Finish I is equals to true, go to step 2. If finish is equals to true for all I, then the system is not in a safe state. Resource and request algorithm for process P1. Request is equals to re, I is equals to request, better for process PI. If request I is equals to k, then process pi wants k instance of resource type rj. When resource request nearby pi, the following occur. If request I is less than needy, go to step 2. And we can see the examples of Banker's algorithm. Now we can see the program. Hash include I was storm using namespace std int main int mij count enter number of process, c in n, c out enter number of resources. Int maximum n m allocation n m available m need m and ans n int 0 fn int id comma pm. For k is equals to 0, k less than n, k plus plus. If k is equals to 0, for I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So C out less than enter details for p, I. C out and n enter allocation. For j is equals to 0, j less than m, j plus plus. C in allocation I, j. C out enter max. For j is equals to 0, j less than m, j plus plus. C in maximum I, j. C out enter available resource. For I is equals to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. C in less greater than available I. For I is equals to 0, I less than n, I j plus plus. J I plus plus. For j is equals to 0, j is less than m, j plus plus. Need I j is equals to maximum I j, allocation I j. C out enter new request details. C out enter process ID. C in ID. C out enter request for resource. For I is equals to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. C in PI. If PI is equals to need ID I. If pi less than is equals to available I. Available I is equals to available I minus pi. Allocation ID I is equals to allocation ID I plus pi. Need ID I is equals to need ID I minus pi. For k is equals to 0, k less than n, k plus plus. If n is for n, I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If fi is equals to 0, if flag is equals to 0, for j is equals to 0, j less than m, j plus plus. If need I j less than available j, flag is equals to 1, break. If flag is equals to 0, answer id in plus plus is equals to I. C out less than n, p less than I less than is visited. For int y is equals to 0, y less than m, y plus plus. Available y is equals to allocation I, y. C out available y. C out less than f I is equals to 1. C out then safe sequences for I is equals to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. C out I less than p answer I. C out answer n minus 1 process allocation management need. C out and in return 0. Let's see the run. Let's run the program. Enter the number of process. Number of process is number of process and 5. Enter number of resources 3 and let enter details of P1. 2 enter allocation 2 0 0. Enter max 3 2 2. Enter details for P1 2 1 1. Enter max 2 2 2. And let's see the enter details for P2 3 0 2. Enter max 9 0 2. And let's see the details for P3 enter allocation 2 1 1. Enter max 2 2 2. Enter details for P4 0 0 2. enter max 4 3 3, enter available resources 3 3 2, and process ID 1, request ID 1 0 2, and we got the P0 is visited 532, P1 is visited 743, P2 is visited 1045, P3 is visited 1256, P4 is visited 1258. The safe sequence is P0, P1, P2, P3, P4. Process allocation maximum need P0 200 322 122. P1 211 222 011, P3 6302 902 600, P3 211 222 011, P4 002 433 431. And thank you guys by watching my video.